Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the first chapter of Business Studies for class 12, and the name of the chapter is Nature and Significance of Management. Before we begin, it is important to know about different topics that we have to cover in this chapter. I will list them out first and then move on. The first topic is Introduction, Meaning and Concept of Management. The second topic is Characteristics of Management, its features. Next one is Importance of Management. We will also learn about importance of management. Then we will see the various objectives of management. We will also learn about nature of management, meaning thereby whether management is a science or management is an art or management is a profession. We have also to go through the various levels of management, top level, middle level, lower level. We will also learn about functions of management. There are 5 functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. And all these 5 functions form separate 5 chapters of the book later on. We will also learn about coordination and its importance, and to sum it up, we will see management in the 21st century. Now coming back to the first topic, Introduction, Meaning and Concept of Management. All of us are well aware that be it any kind of organization, whether big or small, whether public or private, manufacturing or services, for profit or not for profit, all of them need management. Not only that, management is also required in social, religious and political organizations. Now, the work of a manager consists of a series of different activities and functions, and all these activities and functions are aimed at achieving preset or predetermined common organizational goals. All these functions are interconnected, interlinked, interrelated, and are part of management. Management is a deliberate process. Efforts have to be put in for the same. It does not happen on its own. It is not a happenstance. And wherever there is management, there is a team, there is a group, and each team member, each group member has his or her task well assigned. Different units, different divisions may have different tasks, but there is one common goal, one common organizational goal, one destination where all of them have to reach. Management guides and directs people towards achievement of that common organizational goal. Management has to see that common organizational goals are achieved effectively and efficiently. Therefore, when we define management, we say that management is a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving preset or predetermined goals effectively and efficiently. As we have been saying, whenever we have a definition, it consists of various parts. All of them we combine together and then we get a concept, a definition. So there are different parts in this definition. The first one is management is a process of getting things done. Next is with the aim of achieving preset or predetermined goals. Then the last one is effectively and efficiently. So there are basically four things which constitute this definition of management. One is it is a process. Another is there is a preset or predetermined goals. And last one is effectively and efficiently. When we say that management is a process, it is a process of interrelated steps, as we have seen: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling, which comes one after the other. We will learn about them in detail later on. Then there must be a preset or predetermined goals, the destination, the task that we have to achieve. Effectiveness, by effectiveness we mean completion of work, nothing more, nothing less. If the work is completed, we say that we are effective. And then comes efficiency. By efficiency we mean that the task is completed within the stimulated time frame and within the allocated budget. If we are able to perform within the given time frame in the allocated budget, we are efficient. If we use less of resources, then we are more efficient.